This presentation has been brought to you by Cybershield. Online Safety Solutions has partnered with Lightspeed Systems to bring you Cybershield, online protection for your home, business, or school.
Welcome, and thank you for joining me for this presentation on schedules. Schedules allow you to change the filter permissions based on time of day or day of the week. This means that you can use it to allow social networking, such as Facebook.com, only after a certain time of day, or you can turn the internet off at a certain time each night. Really, the possibilities are endless. I'll now demonstrate the steps in setting up a schedule. First, you'll need to log in to the web filter software. Now we'll go to the Web Filter tab located at the top of the screen. Schedules are created within Policy Management. The first thing that we need to do is make sure that we have a rule set with the new permissions specified. This is found within Rule Sets. If I simply want to turn off the internet at a certain time of day, I can use the default Block All rule set found here. But I'd like to create a new rule set with you to show you how flexible this feature can be. To do that, I click on the New Rule Set button located in the upper right, and then I give my new rule set a name and a description. In choosing a rule set to copy from, I'll want to choose one that is most similar to the rule set that I'm trying to create. In my case, it's this less restrictive rule set. I now have a new rule set called Homework Time, which is really just a copy of my other rule set until I start making changes. I created this rule set to turn Facebook off when the kids are supposed to be doing homework. To complete the rule set, all I need to do is scroll down to the category where Facebook is found, which is right here under Forums.Social Networking. Block it and choose Save. Now, Facebook and any other social networking sites will be blocked when this rule set is applied. I'm now ready to set up a schedule. Schedules are found also within Policy Management and next to Rule Sets under Schedules. To create a schedule, choose New Schedule. Give the schedule a name and a description if you like. And then what you'll want to do is choose a base rule set. The base rule set is the rule set that will be applied most of the time. In our case, it's going to be the less restrictive rule set. After saving my changes, I now have a calendar which shows me that my base rule set will be applied all day, every day. To add my new rule set to the calendar, I click on the Add New Rule button in the upper right, choose the rule set, which in this case is going to be Homework Time, choose the days that it's going to apply to. I can choose every day, none of the days, weekdays, or weekends. In my case, I'd like to choose weekdays, those days that the kids are in school. As I scroll down, I can specify the time of day. My kids get home at about 3 o'clock, which on the 24-hour clock is 1500 hours. And then we'll apply this policy for a few hours here. And we will go back to the less restrictive rule set at 5 o'clock or 1700 hours. When I choose Save, I now see the rule set clearly shows up between those hours. If I want to edit this, I can come down to the bottom of the screen and I can select the rule set and I can change the times if needed. That's all there is to creating a schedule, but there's one more step that's needed. Like a rule set, schedules have to be assigned. You can assign the schedule to a group or to an individual. This is done within the Assignments area. I'm going to demonstrate assigning this new schedule to my son, Josh. I start by clicking New Assignment, ensuring that the user type is username, and then I'll search my local user database for Josh. Here he is. I'll select his name and choose Save. Here's my new assignment, and when I choose the drop-down arrow, I see my rule sets, and at the bottom I see my schedules. By clicking on the homework time schedule, the schedule has now been assigned to Josh. When he gets home from school today, he won't be able to get on any social networking sites until 5 p.m. I'd like to mention one more thing, and that is that the order of the assignments is significant. The assignments are listed in order of priority. In most cases, you'll want to have user assignments listed above the group assignments. Or, in other words, the more specific assignments should be listed on top. For example, if Josh was listed below Castleman, and Josh was part of that Castleman group, then he would never pick up this assignment. He would always pick up the Castleman assignment first. However, since Josh is listed on top, then his assignment is picked up before the Castleman group assignment is ever considered. That's all there is to it. The assignments feature is easy to use, but as you can see, it's extremely powerful, and you'll have a lot of fun with it. I hope you enjoyed this video presentation, and until next time, take care.